we'll guide you through how to create a Claude meme. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and open the Claude AI platform. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the section where you can input your text prompts. Claude works wonderfully with creative text generation, so think about the kind of meme you're aiming to create. Let's say you want a funny caption for a classic meme image. Type in a prompt that describes the scene or image you're working with, and ask Claude to generate a humorous caption or text. For instance, you could type something like, "Generate a funny caption for a dog looking confused." After inputting your prompt, click on the Generate button and wait for Claude to work its magic. You'll get a list of suggestions. Choose the one that tickles your funny bone the most. Now, you can head over to a meme generator website like EMGFlip or Canva. Upload your image or choose a template. Enter the caption you chose from Claude's suggestions into the text fields provided by the meme generator. Adjust the font, size, and positioning to your liking. Once you're happy with it, download your completed meme. You can now share it with your friends on social media or wherever you like to spread some laughs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.